Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to our daily Vlogmas. This is going to be day 8, 9 and 10.
Bit of catching up to do.
Yeah, because we came back to Disneyland Paris, we were very tired and then unwell, so we thought we'd catch up now.
Yeah.
So we'll do all 4 calendars, all 3 days.
Yeah, now.
So I'll start with the Disney Funkos. So I'll open them all and then we'll do them all. So 8, 9th, and 10th. Oh, my finger's stuck. Help. 8th, 9th, and 10th. Oops.
Do just land your cup of tea.
Right, so 8th we have, do it as quickly as possible as we're doing 3 at a time. Oh, we got Dale, little Dale. And if you don't know how to tell the difference, Chip has a little chocolate chip nose, so it's normally darker brown. And Dale has a red one. So. And then we've got, is it going to be Chip? Is it going to be Chip? No, it's Donald in a little Christmas outfit. That's cute. Finally, this one, which already seems to be open for some reason. I didn't cut that one open. Daisy. She looks a little bit drunk, but there's Daisy. There we go. Next.
I have the Game and Puzzle Disney one. So, day 8 is hiding right in front of me somewhere, thank you. Oh, it'll be a cardboard clay piece again, I expect, because there's nothing in. Yep. So 2 play pieces of the jigsaw board, and the glamorous assistant here.
Oh, I'm doing it on my, okay.
Little gold trophy playing piece.
Yep.
That's 8. 9 is Olaf. With 2 playing pieces of the board pieces. Number 10 for today is up here, Minnie Mouse. And we have Jasmine and the 2 pieces of the board.
There we go. I'll move on to Mario. Ooh, you can see our light in the background there. So, right, we might need scissors for these ones because sometimes they put them in. So 8 is tiny, absolutely minuscule. Ah, it's a little fire flower. Therewith. So 8 is little fire flower.
That's cute.
Number 9 is going to be somewhere here.
Yep.
That's quite a big one, so I think it might be a character. Ah, Princess Peach. Let's get her out. Again, with scissors at the ready. Oh, there we go, little Princess Peach.
Or not so little.
Oh God. She's not solid underneath. You can see right up her. Yep.
Dress.
And then number 10 is here. See what we got in this one. Ah, little star. And it's the little invincibility star.
And that leaves me with
Rubber duckies.
Christmas rubber duckies.
Excuse me.
So day 8 is there, thank you very much. We have a little scarf and a little winter hat.
Cute.
Day 9. Almost the same. There's a peaked cap on it with a scarf.
Interesting. I did have to quickly check it wasn't the same one.
And then day 10, catch up to today.
Oh, I like that one.
A little like a tree hat, a little star on top of it, and then some lights around his neck.
Yeah.
There we go.
So now we're caught up. We should start posting every day again. And if you want to see more, please follow along.